Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. And in this video, I'm going to unbox this package. Just now, I received this one by courier from Avantika. As always, this is the first unboxing from Avantika, and um, yeah, it reminds my old channel. Fine, let's get inside. One concern about this one, I didn't get the tracking ID from Avantika for this package. Usually, yeah, I mentioned right. This is the fourth product from Avantika for me, and as usual, they used to share the tracking ID from third-party courier service. Luckily, they don't have their own, and yeah, fine. But this time I didn't get any single message about this package, like when it will come, blah blah blah, nothing. Okay. And usually they used to put some tapes over the plastic wrappers, but this year they changed. I don't know why. I hope this is the front or maybe the back, who knows, because there is no address or anything over here. Oh my god. Yeah, so if you want to check Avantika website, go and click the link in the description area. It will be helpful for them, not me, definitely. Okay. Uh, yes, here it is. Okay, bubble wrap. I really love Avantika for this bubble wrap. Generally, they used to share. What is this, bro? What is this? Okay, I'll come that part later. Okay, nice. Okay, here this Pixel 7a white variant, but iPhone charger. That is, oh, this is not iPhone charger. You can see something else like a 20 watts charger, but this phone only supports 18 watts. Why? And this is the paperwork for this product. uh, Here it is. So yeah, Team Pixel, and I think this is a Flipkart product. Someone sold this. Too heavy, I would say. Too heavy. Yeah, nothing is here. Here it is. mm, Too heavy. Here it is, the main details. Fine. And I think this is the warranty claiming. mm, yes, some legit type C to type C, I hope so, but I'm not sure. uh, what is this? No sim ejector, and some waste paperwork. Google. Okay, some warnings, blah blah blah. Okay, what is this? Here you can see. Okay, I can get some details from here, but I'm not sure whether I can get. Well, there is no adapter or a connecting pin. Some details are over here also. Fine. This is not the expected one. This is the only expected one. It's too much heavy, I would say, much heavier than my Moto. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Let's do the first boot up. It is taking too much time. Maybe out of juice. Well, I will inform this in the first initial setup of the Pixel 7a. Okay. Yeah, that's all about this video, guys. It's me, Famika, signing off. Meet you all guys in my next video, hopefully.